That's where it is. Look, look there. What's yours?
Mama, I want to show you something.
That can.
That cool car.
Where? Oh, that's
I don't think you could hear a whole car doing it. Get a name in Florida because you can't use air conditioning.
check it, that wee thing in front of that wee grey thing there. What are they? Are they buggy things?
I think that's a four-seater buggy. Is it?
When I was school, Mum, a long time ago, right, you taught us that Grandad had a freewheeling car to the back and one in the front. It was so mental. I wanted a freewheel be able to get one of them. Where?
Oh, it's not confusing.
What's that smell? Yes, there's a car behind us, Aaron.
Have you got an Animal Kingdom, Dad?
Yeah. So money. And that's videoing now. Kirabi career. It's an old car. What?
Is there anyone? Big cloud up there, look.
Yeah. Woo. There you go, Mom. Because in your hand, because on your hand, you need to take it. Golden coral! Yay! Alright, look. Golden coral shine. Coral. Oh, look at it. The golden coral on the places lit up again. Golden coral.
Actually, it's not.
Yes, it is. It's like
I can see that the D-E-N and the R-A-L are still not lit up.
I don't know.
It is still.
But you
It
can
is golden coral. I have a few golden.
Coral.
That would have an union at the end of
oh, because I say like, when I'm being stupid, I say it like this, golden coral. Because it's got an A in it. So the golden. And I also call it golden. Golden coral.
If you look at it though, the sign is still kind of.
I got Mum. It's lit off.
Whoa!
What? The motorbikes.
I would quite like to go to Denny's and try one of the cheesecake things.
Look at that. Look at that motorbike that's coming up. It's got 2 aerials.
'Cause I was looking at the. See how you're on about. What do you call it again? Ponderosa top-notch. Hoodins. See how you piece of the Flippers horse in. There's a good bit of that and it's just the same cookies or chocolate brownies.
Dad, are you pushing an accelerator?
No, the no.
Why not?
There's no brain.
Just married.
Where?
Honestly.
How? Oh, you just married on the back of that window. Just married. I see it in that car. You know, got just married. Did you have flower in the back of your window? I know.
Just didn't want that one.
Didn't want it.
I didn't put mine in there. Just came straight off.
Oh, look at the cars. More like bikes. Instead of like more very like 3-wheeled ones that use like moves really fast and it's like there's 2 seats right and the seat at the back is a comfort chair.
Have you hit the middle blind spot?
That's I think that's changing on the road. Dad, why do you need to put your indicator on when you're changing on a different road? Dad,
Because I'm coming off for Disney.
Everest! What? What, Everest? Maybe Hulk's way worse than Everest. And still, Hulk was up way 6 miles. Oh my god, so that
What side did it end on Everest? What the loops? Are you held in it?
Lap bar.
Eh?
Lap bar.
try it.
Because you only get a shoulder harness if you've got loops.
Can you?
That's true. So practically it's like between except for all the faster. Hey look, Disney World! There's a big sale for Disney World. Have we gone into Disney World? Have we?
On the Animal Kingdom and Animal Kingdom Spa off Disney World.
Ah. I say it's got Donald Duck on it. There's a white car behind us. wait a minute.
It's not the same car because it's a different shape.
I remember 2 years ago because I remember having the same model except from that used to be only things that
I bet that. See, the first time we went, our car was not a Dodge.
Very first time was a big van. Was the real shape of the car.
Van like that we had the first time.
Who was driving?
Can I ask you what, Mum? See how that school is hot? Smash it too. But wait a minute.
If you want it, yeah.
See, every time when we went to Florida, the Danny Cathy could be us. How not even think?
It's the same time we went on the road. We went with Abby Catherine. We went on the road. And then Abby Catherine and us went together again.
Yeah,
And then Abby Catherine went on the road.
yeah. And we went.
Practically that's 8 times a week.
Money bag.
Money bag.
14 or something.
This is Animal Kingdom.
Is there any other water parks in it with toll charge?
No charge.
Come back to see how until you can't see Compton Elaine. And we should see it.
Who?
Elaine.
Just the one because the video camera.
There.
Right.
Mom? Mom, Mommy, have we ever been in Animal Kingdom? Because I can't remember going.
14?
Is this a car?
What do you call that? It's a car. It's not a car. Well, how could it be a car if it's much bigger than a car? How could it be a car if it's much bigger than a car?
I don't know. Just got a carriage.
Where?
It's classed as an SUV.
Oh, what are you going
Do you know that Magic Kingdom fits in the Animal Kingdom's car park? There you go.
have some Animal Kingdom was the biggest park, like. Would you?
Is it the biggest park?
Like,
Where's Annie Cathy?
So practically you could just lift up the whole Animal Kingdom, just plop it into the car park.
No, you could. Magic Kingdom fits it with this car park.
That's what I'm trying to say. You could lift it up and just plop it there.
Yes. I know. But you can give me if you want to give me it. No, well, just give me it.
There? Conditioning thing made on it.
But
That's
Fuck off.
Where?
Like you did it then. Favorite part?
Don't know.
Peacock number 6. That's not too bad.
I like David got there eventually. He helped